What is rounding? Rounding means replacing a number with an approximate value that has a shorter and simpler representation. Numbers are rounded when the accuracy is not very relevant, but there is room for approximate values to express a quantity so that it can be more easily understood. For example, we more frequently say, "I will be there in about half an hour," rather than saying, "I will be there in 30 minutes." This is because 30 minutes is quite exact where a half an hour is quite approximate. This allows us to have a few minutes of delay and still be considered on time. The value of a rounded number is slightly different from the original number. A rounded integer always ends with 0. We use the symbol to represent rounding in expressions. There are two types of rounding: 1, rounding up, and 2, rounding down. When a number is rounded up, its value increases to become the nearest number ending with 0 to the original number. On the other hand, when a number is rounded down, its value decreases to become the nearest number ending with 0 to the original number. Rule: a number is rounded down when the digit that becomes 0 in the original number was 1, 2, 3, and 4, while a number is rounded up when the digit that becomes 0 after rounding was previously 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For example, when 78 is rounded to the nearest 10, we obtain 80 because this number is the nearest 10 to the original number. That is all for lesson 2.1.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 2.1.2, rounding to the nearest 10. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.